Welcome. My name is Mitch. This is MitchMinus250. Thank you for clicking. Now, I want you to know that this channel is never going to feature anything fancy or flashy, but it will always be authentic. And I think in the long run, that's really what matters anyway. No, I won't have any bells and whistles, but then I'm not tech savvy anyway. So we'll stick with authenticity and the truth and transparency. And I think we'll be fine. Now, I hope you noticed in the channel banner that I have a photo of before and a photo of after. And I put those to show you exactly how much of a transition that I made over time. But I also want to explain why I had to wear the mask in the before photo. That was taken at my retirement party at the school that I taught at. Now, it was late 2021, which was the height of the pandemic. So every member of the faculty, every administrator, every member of the support staff, and most importantly, every student wore one of those masks for safety. So that's why I have the mask on. But going forward, I will show you photographs of me at different stages in this weight loss journey. Some of the photographs will have a mask. Some of them will feature me without a mask. But I want you to know that I am definitely the man in that before photo. Now, he was not happy. He was not healthy, but he was me. Okay, so I don't know about you, but I was told many times in the past that once you get to age 60, well, changing your health becomes something really difficult and maybe even impossible, at least changing it for the better, that is. Well, I'm here to tell you that that's not true. 60 is just a number. Now, I know that sounds very cliche, but it is true. 60 is only a number. At age 60, I weighed 471 pounds. Now, I'm not proud of that, but it's the truth. But 3.5 years later, now I weigh 221 pounds. If you did the math very quickly, you will know that that is a loss of 250 pounds. And for that, I am very proud. I made this transformation very naturally. I never had to have weight loss surgery. I never took weight loss medication. I was even able to stop counting calories. I never had to starve myself. I never had to use any type of gimmicky tactics. I just kept it all very natural. Now, I did use elements of carnivore, keto, and Mediterranean eating plans, but I never used them exactly the way that they were supposed to be used. What I did was I took what I liked about all of them and sort of combined them in ways that I knew would be sustainable and that I knew would be successful. And it worked. My doctors are amazed at my progress and they're very supportive of me. Well, I created this channel, MitchMinus250, to show you exactly how I did this. I want to share with you all of my daily routines. I want to share with you the foods that I ate. I even want to share with you the practical mindsets that helped me get through this. It's not just physical, it is mental. Now, on July 1st, I will be presenting my first 2 official videos on this channel. Now, what I want to do is to show you exactly how I got to be 471 pounds, and I want to show to you exactly why I decided to make the change and to lose the weight and to get healthy. Now, my mission on this channel is to create a community of being supportive, being friendly to one another, and I want you to be part of that. Now, the easiest way to start is to smash that subscribe button. It's black and it's next to the title. That will get the ball rolling. Then that will get you to be part of this community. Again, July 1st, first 2 videos. Please come back and join me. But until then, I wish you nothing but peace and love. I want you to take care. Thank you.